Hi, I'm Thaleia. I'm a principal with Marathon Venture Capital, investing in seed stage companies and co-founder of the Tech Finance Network, a community of finance and investment professionals working with startups based in Greece. In the upcoming Open Conference, I will be giving a presentation on how to develop an idea into a startup company. I will begin with approaches to testing one's ideas and what are the early signs of a successful venture, as well as how to best use one's time and resources towards a prototype and product market fit. We will go on to discuss how to finance all that before VC financing is on the table, and then we will describe the basics of venture capital. When is this option available and what should you expect? Finally, we will hold a brainstorming session and then split into groups of 5 to 10 people. And the Tech Finance Network will provide some of its best CFOs, heads of finance and investors from the most prominent Greek startups and VCs that will devote their personal time to answering your questions or helping you plan your venture. See you there!